Alright, let's get started on installing the decal kit. Step 1. Make sure the surface is nice and clean. Wipe off any dust, dirt, or grease so the decal sticks firmly and lasts longer. Next, move over to the left side of the car and take out the decal. Line it up with the 3 marked spots, lone L2 and L3. We'll start with L2. Peel back a small section of the backing. And line it up with the 2 body lines, especially the lower one. Once it's lined up correctly, stick that part down first. Use a squeegee to smooth it out while slowly peeling away the rest of the backing. When it's fully in place, peel off the top protective film. Now on to L3. The process is exactly the same. Follow the lower body line, stick it on, smooth it out, and peel the film. Lone is just as simple. Line it up and press it on. And that's it for the left side. Moving on to the right side, repeat the exact same steps. Finally, let's finish with the hood decal. Same routine, line it up carefully, squeegee it flat while peeling off the backing. Then remove the protective film, and you're done. The full decal kit is installed and looking sharp.